Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to use Siri without internet connection in iOS 17. First, open the settings of your iPhone. Scroll down until you find Siri and search. Then tap on it. Inside the Siri settings, make sure Siri is turned on. If it is turned off, you can enable it by pressing the side button for Siri. Once Siri is enabled, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the offline version of Siri to download in the background. Keep the Siri settings open during this time. Now let us test Siri without internet access. Swipe up and open the control center and turn on airplane mode. This action disables Wi-Fi, cellular data, and other network connections, ensuring your device is completely offline. With airplane mode on, activate Siri by holding down the side button or saying, "Hey Siri." You can ask Siri to perform tasks like opening settings or setting an alarm. Siri can handle tasks offline, such as setting reminders, setting text messages, making phone calls, and setting timers or alarms. However, it has limitations when it comes to tasks requiring internet access, like searching the web or retrieving information from online services. For example, while offline, Siri won't be able to search the web for you or fetch information from online sources like Google. These functions require an active internet connection. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.